Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Casey, and today I am here with another Temu haul. It was a back to school haul. I had about $40 to spend on this haul, so let's see what I got for $40. I was trying to think of some fun things that you, as teachers, may want to use at the beginning of the school year. I should have opened this package before coming on here. Okay, for $40, I got just a few things that I thought would help my classroom in the past or help now. So, one of the things I have always used was a birthday board. And I was trying to think of a fun idea that would be easy for teachers that are not very expensive. So I wanted to find some things that you might use at the beginning of the year that's not very expensive, but that you can use to get started right away. And a fun thing to have in your classroom is a birthday board. I did show you once already that I used to take paper, draw a balloon, write all of the different months on them, and then add each student's names. You can do birthday candles, but I found one that you can just grab and hang. So let's take a look. Birthday pocket, including cards, student birthday celebration card hanging bag. It was $14.44 for this. One thing I was worried about is the packaging. When I opened it, all the pieces were bent, but actually the cards look like they're coming out fine. So you open it up like this. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. And it looks like that. I should have hung this up for a little demo or for a cute little, I don't know, celebration thing. So this is it. And then here are the months. They're at the bottom. And you could make a chart, right? You could do a birthday chart. Whose birthday's in January? Put their name. And then you could put them in order, January 1st, January 5th, things like that. So it came with this cute little hanging card holder. And then I'm dropping cards. And then you could use these to write students' names on it. It comes with a bunch of these little cards or birthday candles. So you could write on those, you could laminate them. It does have some blank cards with it as well. So that was the birthday pocket, student birthday celebration card hanging bag. That's what that one was called. So it comes with a lot of these little squares. I would use dry erase, I would think. And I wouldn't keep them very close to the students, but maybe the first week of school, you could actually make the graph with the students and then hang it up after. Depending on what grade you teach, many students don't know their birthday. Even when I was teaching kindergarten, beginning of the year, many students were unsure of their actual birthday. Some knew it really easily. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the ground, try not to drop it everywhere. All right, I've got these cards everywhere now. All right, the next thing I found, which I really thought was going to be bigger, and they did have different ones, so there's probably different sizes, were these rug dots. So these are called, they were the first one, 36 piece, 9 colors carpet markers or carpet dot markers. Those are tough because I want to keep putting in my R. I don't want to put in my R, so I'm like carpet. Okay, so here are some of the colors, the dots. I guess you just put them in, put them on your rug right here. They're Velcro. So there's red, there's green, orange, yellow, purple, blue, a light blue and a dark blue, a pink and a green. So those are the carpet dots or rug dots. Basically, I was fortunate enough to have a carpet in my room that had colored squares, so that's what I used. I know some other teachers have used some kind of tape and everything, but this might be easy just to put on the carpet. Maybe the students just have a color they have to stick to or something. So that was the carpet dots, and those were $6.49. Okay, this is I can read sight words. I think I got one last time with my order. Do you think I find sight words very important? Because I really, really do. So these are the sight word cards. I really love kids learning their sight words. Sight words are important because they're not words that can be sounded out. So they just need to know them when they're reading. And they pop up in reading all the time. And that's why a lot of teachers might call them popcorn words. I call them sight words and popcorn words in my classroom. I even had a popcorn wall, and it looked like a bucket of popcorn being dumped over, and all the popcorn was falling out, and it was all the popcorn words. I have no idea where I got that. I wish I could remember. Also, I ordered some doubles of stuff from last time from my haul, and this time I really should have checked because I did learn. I got these desk nameplates. I think the quality of these is not as good as other companies, but see, they're pretty flimsy. What you can do is use what do you call it, contact paper on them, or what I like to do was I would get these at Lakeshore, get these little pockets that fit these at Lakeshore Learning, and the students would take theirs with them. Now I would write on these and laminate them so that they can last the whole year. That's personally what I would do for my students. And they would just take them because I had differentiated seating in my classroom. I let them sit pretty much wherever they wanted, and we would switch them out every week. So, all right, and now I got happy birthday stickers. Not sure if you saw it, but I talked about making birthday bags before. Maybe we could put that up on one of the suggested videos. But basically, I just bought a bunch of stuff. I would give each student a sticker in their bag and close the bag with another sticker. These are fairly cheap, if I remember correctly. $1.79 for a whole roll of birthday stickers. All right, 2 things left. Now, I thought about making a calm down corner in my classroom and using some either fidget spinners or some things like touching things, sensory things. These are so fun. What were they called? 12-piece stress relief toy, anti-fidget, soft glue elastic rope, anti-anxiety. They're just fun. I like the feeling of them. They're not sticky though. Like, they remind me of those things that you throw on the wall and they crawl down the wall, the little slap hands. These aren't sticky, but they're super fun. And the last thing I got, in my classroom, I always had a treasure box. So I was thinking something fairly inexpensive that teachers might like to use as a treasure box. I got this box. It says Party Bag Toy Set. And this one was the fidget spinner sensory toys. Poppets. So, and they say party favors, fidgets. So I would use this as a treasure box, not as a calm down thing, because they have these little blow things that students would put their mouth on. So I would just find little things. Oh, here's the little hands. So some teachers let them pick. I used to let them choose on Fridays, and then they have to put it right in their bag to go home. We did it right before going home. The little skateboards. So this whole box of stuff. And like I said, I paid $10 for it. So little puppet things, some stamps are in here. Some little slinkies. I don't know why slinkies are always so much fun, aren't they? All kinds of little things in here. Little Rubik's cubes, those are fun. Oh, glow bracelets. I told you in one of the other videos that I used to give these out in the birthday bags because I found them on clearance at Walmart for 47 cents for a whole pack. So I would buy, if I had 24 students, 8 came in a package, I would buy 3 sets and put them in. Actually, for that cheap, I probably would have bought some for the next year as well. So there's still more things in here. I won't take them all out for you, but there's just little toys in here as well. Some parents would donate some toys to me sometimes, or have a ton of like unopened McDonald's toys or something, and the kids would love it. They would have leftover birthday favors, and parents would be like, do you want these little, sunglasses or all these things? Yep, put them in the treasure box. So you can easily start a treasure box in your classroom by talking to other parents around you, looking in your neighborhood, Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes it's like, free, take these toys, you know, or asking friends and family or parents if they have anything extra. Send them in after your kid's birthday. If you have extra favors, you know where to send them. So I think that's about it for this haul. I hope you had fun. I know I did. A few little things to get your classroom started. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you'd like to see more of. I got a new background, so I can't wait to put that up, and I'll see you all next time, everybody. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and use the link below. You'll get a $100 coupon bundle and 50% off by using my link for Temu. All right, everyone, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Thank you.